Listen up, Shakers. Here at the Handshakin Video Series, we're all about creating strong and supportive communities for entrepreneurs. A rising tide lifts all boats, so let's all win here. Here's the best advice for free. So our first topic, Marty, is community. You know, what we found is entrepreneurs that dive into an entrepreneurial community are surrounded with like-minded people, and they can find answers to their questions real time by being immersed in the community. And I'm really interested of the students, the law school students that graduate and open their own law firm or launch their own startup. How do you think the community of going through law school for 3 years has helped them?
So actually, I give a talk at orientation here. That's a variation. If you've ever seen some of the old movies about law school or read the books, things like The Paper Chase, the dean came in at the beginning of school and said, "Look to your left, look to your right. In 1 year, one of you is not going to be here." So it was very focused on actually competitiveness rather than community. Mm-hmm. And I actually do a somewhat tongue-in-cheek variation of that, which is look to your left, look to your right. If things go the way they should, these are the people you're going to be practicing law with for the next 30 or 40 years. In other words, it's very much about building community, starting with your first week in law school. If you think about the way, and it doesn't matter whether you're starting a solo firm, whether you're going into business, whether you're going to go work for a big law firm or a government agency, the legal community really is a community. And the sooner you start seeing yourself as a member of that community, thinking about networking, thinking about just getting to know sort of the folks who are in this practice with you and are going to be there for years, it's a good thing. The space is designed to get people talking to each other. And so if you're the newbie, you can go down the hall and say, "Hey, I'm really trying to figure this thing out. Can you help me?" So it's kind of a built-in mentoring.
Yeah, very cool.
And some cross-referral. The idea is that you get to know other people doing this, and when there's a case they can't take for some reason, they'll say, "Hey, why don't you talk to this potential client?"
Yeah, that's really exciting. Law banks kind of pairing recent graduates with mentors.
Yeah.
And mid-scale, and building community of those that choose to go and launch their own.